Does your car sound like that when you try to start it? If so, this could be the video for you. On today's video, we're going to be changing the starter on my 1991 GMC Suburban R1500. The reason why we're changing the starter is because it's making that horrible grinding sound. You heard it, right? Now, I've already tried to shim this before. I've already checked the bolts. They're still tight. Nothing's shifted. Nothing's broken. Everything still seems the same. It just up and started doing this yesterday. Now, before changing out your starter, you're going to want to inspect your flex plate, make sure that you don't have any chipped teeth or something, and that's your issue and not the starter. I'm just assuming the Bendix just doesn't have the power anymore to properly engage. Luckily, it's a very simple job, a couple bolts, and then swap the wires over. Easy peasy. First thing you're going to want to do is take off your inspection cover so you can check the flex plate, teeth and your starter, and then see what's going on. 4 bolts, one there, one here, one on the other side, and then one up there. And then this inspection cover can come off and you can take a peek and see what's going on. See, all the teeth look good, and it's spun around and they all look fine. Okay. 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 I don't think it's supposed to be doing it. I don't think. Come on, it's obviously not supposed to be. Negative side. Center 5/8. Oop, hit me in the face already. See, the shims that I had yesterday did not help. There we go. I'll lower this down. And be careful of your knock sensor wires. Oop, I'm gonna have to unplug that actually. Yep. Well, I'm gonna have to disconnect these wires up there because I cannot get to it otherwise. Now these are 5/8 for the starter, or for the main power wire if you can get it to stay still long enough. There's that. You got this one wire comes off, and then the main starter wire. There's your 2 wires. Now we got this little wire. So there's one wire that comes off, and then your main starter wire. And now we got this little one that comes off that I think is 5/16, I believe. There we go. Get that down and out, and we'll inspect it out there. See that Bendix gear seems perfectly fine. Okay, here's the side-by-side. This is the one I took out. This is a reman one. This is actually the one that was on this motor when I did the motor swap last November. I just put my other one on that was on the other motor. So they obviously are the same starter. They look the same. Everything's the same. I know they are because I took this off that motor last year. I'm probably going to swap over this heat shield to this starter, and then we'll get it put back on there. Now make sure that your mounting point for the starter looks good. Mine looks good. I wiped it all up just to make sure it looks fine before you put the starter back on. Okay. Back up there. Get ready for that awesome shoulder pain or elbow pain. See, I only had it sitting up there just enough to where I could get the wires on. Hang on. Okay, I got it up there. It's loose. It's not completely tight, but You can see your wires go up there. So these two wires go on it. And then obviously your main power wire. So let's get that put on there. Little wire goes back here. Take this little one, which I can't see. Now we got that little wire on. Get the main power wire on there, the main battery wire, and then the secondary wire as well. Then I can put the nut on and we can start tightening them down. I think it's on there enough. And do not forget to hook your knock sensor wire back up to the knock sensor, which is right there. Don't forget. These mount bolts are 35 foot-pounds. Just make sure you set it at 35. And don't tighten them all down at once. That one's 35. I've already pre-tightened these. There's your 35 foot-pounds. And it should be good to go. Just saying. We thank you for watching. See, she can't even stay here for this.
He's like,
fuck. We thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking or subscribing. And until next time, take care.